Yo, hello and welcome guys to today's video. Today I want to talk about something you may have noticed in the last couple of days or maybe last year. Same thing happened, and I'm talking about the ones who trades like every day and they're too into this trading stuff. So I want to talk about the ugly shit price action that has been on the chart for the last couple of days since December opened, basically. So I'm gonna show you. Wait, I'm too old for this. Okay, and this is what I'm talking about. You may even see, oh, you hit this trade, but no, I actually didn't hit this trade, and this trade was actually a break-even trade. Okay, guys. Okay. And you need to guys take a look on this. If I didn't get a break even on this trade, I may have been holding this trade for a whole day, for a whole fucking day. And damn bro, look at this thing. For 19 hours for the trade to close, and look at this, I don't know how to call it, an article bar price action, a guitar price action. I don't know what to call this, guys. This is such a fucking crazy ass shit, and this has been for the last couple of days, and especially on December, because November, October, I was trading good. I was having good price action. I was finding my setups. I was seeing the trades. I was seeing my setups. Even the days that I don't trade, there was actually good setups for another strategy user. And basically for this December price action, I'm not seeing anyone on Instagram that is getting good trades. Maybe for one or two persons, or maybe like for 1 day or 2 days, and that's all. I don't see anyone on December making a good trades. And the reason behind that is that this is the last month of the year, and also the volatility drops a lot higher, and most of the profitable traders, the good traders, the hedge funds, and all of those take break because they got all the profit. They took the profit of all the year. They have been profitable in it, and Christmas holiday is very soon. So maybe people are going to get out of the chart, forget it, enjoy their profit, and that's it. But we are the poor ones. We're still looking at the chart like fucking idiots. For me, I took only this trade on the whole December. Today is the 17th of December, and this is the only trade that I took, and it was actually a break-even trade. So I don't know what to call it. I'm actually lucky for not losing this trade, even though it has hit take profit afterwards. Okay, so I'm gonna explain and show you a little bit of examples on what the fuck I'm talking about. So wait. Okay, let's go for today's example. Today is Wednesday. Okay, so let me mark up my session opens. So there's Asian session, here's London session, and this is New York session. Okay, and I only trade New York, so I'm gonna be looking only for setups that happens on New York session. So I'm gonna mark out my key levels, my highs and lows. Those are the hourly highs, those are the hourly lows. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. We have these 4-hour highs, and we have these 4-hour lows. We also have these 4-hour lows. Then if we go to the hourly again, we have these lows, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Okay, so Asian session, we come up, we created a new high, then we dropped down instantly. We took out this low, and then at start of London session, we came down even lower to fill in this 1 hour fair value gap. And this is the valid fair value gap because this is the one that has created after the break of structure. Okay, so we filled in the fair value gap, we took out these lows, and then we made a good move to the upside, filling up this fair value gap and this whole gap, and wanting potentially to take out these highs. And if you guys can notice, we are pretty much with this move, like breaking off all this low and then creating a continuation confluences to continue the move to the downside to potentially take out these lows and these lows as well. For me, I said, okay, we're gonna change the character to the downside and I'm gonna be looking for downs, okay? And then on the hourly time frame, after taking out these lows, I said, okay, maybe price is going to continue moving higher, especially with this longer time frame or higher time frame continuation move to the upside with the higher time frame trend. Okay, so with that, but for me, I only see my trades when I see a liquidity sweep, breakout structure, maybe fair value gap, breaker block, or any continuation confluences, retracement, and then a breakout structure on the lower time frames. And then I enter, and the first thing is I'm gonna wait for a liquidity sweep, and this I don't see any liquidity sweep happening. Look, on the 15-minute time frame, we have these lows, we have these lows. For me to take longs, I need price to come down, fill it, take out these lows, and then potentially look up for a continuation confluences to the upside, and then I'm gonna take the trade and potentially hit a buy. And if I'm gonna look on this trade to hit a short, I'm gonna wait for price to take out these potentially equal highs, and then I'm gonna wait for continuation confluences or maybe a break of structure to the downside to then look up for a sell. Okay, but this move, a fucking straight up candles to the upside without any single down candle except this one. This is not good for the market, especially for traders like us. Especially like we're not gonna find any setups, and if you find a setup like this one, I was potentially looking for shorts, and then the market hits me with this liquidity sweep and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so the market is full of manipulation and a low volume. There is no volume in the market. There is no volume in the market, and believe me guys, this is not just today. The same thing happened yesterday. With this trade that I showed you. Okay, let me show you first. Go on to the hourly time frame, where is Tuesday. I have this Asian session open, this New York session open, and this is London session open. Okay, the trend is bearish. I was looking for a sell because the 4-hour time frame is bearish. After I told you guys, I'm thinking of changing the trend after this break of structure, this whole break of structure move, and then a continuation to the upside, and then the downfall move. So with that, I said this is the change of character, and we're going to continue going lower. And with that, I was thinking I'm gonna go short. We have these hourly highs marked up right here, and we have these for our hourly lows that got swept as well. We also have these lows, and what else we have? We have this fair value gap, and this is, where is it? Where is it? Okay, this one, the middle 50% mark of the fair value gap. So with that, Asian session come down, we took out these lows, then potentially move up, we took out this high, and we also created this new high on the London session. And then the most important thing is New York session. We just opened a New York session, and then we come up, we took out these 4-hour highs and these 4-hour highs, and then on the 15-minute time frame, right, on the 15-minute time frame, okay, right here, we took out those highs, and then we created this move to the downside. We broke the structure right there. Maybe wait, 5 minutes, I guess. Sorry, I didn't take a screenshot. Yeah, it was right here. It was right here. Wait, right here. We hit this inverse fair value gap. We inverse this fair value gap, and then we retraced back. And then we did another break of structure. I guess it's on the 15-minute time frame one. Yeah, right. This one. And then what happened next? Wait. Let me see. Okay, I remember it. I didn't even have the screenshot to look for where I did enter, but I pretty much remember that after we broke the structure right here, we have this whole breaker block, and wait, have this breaker block, and then I went down to see for a continuation confluence on the lower time frame that I'm gonna enter off of it, and I scaled down pretty much to the 1 minute time frame. I saw this retracement to the upside into the breaker block, and then I jumped into the trade right away after we broke the structure on the 1 minute again. My stop loss, wait, let me zoom out. My stop loss were wait, this breaker block. My stop loss were above the 50% mark. I remember it, or this fair value gap, I think. Yeah, it was right here. It was fucking okay. It was right here after at the top of the breaker block, and my TP was at this point. Okay, and instantly price come down pretty much volatile. I'm gonna fucking cut my tongue. We saw big volume come down this candle, and then we come down and fill up this 15-minute fair value gap that I should have been, or this 1 hour fair value gap that I should have been taking profit right here, but no, because I said it's a shitty risk to reward that I'm gonna take the trade on. So I pretty much scaled my TP right down to these lows, to these Asian session lows, and then I said I'm gonna take all the profit right here. Then after we hit this up, I put my stop loss into break even, and then minutes after that, literally the next upcoming candles just stopped me out at break even, and thank God I got stopped out at break even, because I would have been waiting this fucking whole 1 day move. I don't know why, but yeah, that's it. So this is another example on why I do not like to trade December price action. I remember last year when I traded December price action like a fucking dork. I had such a bad losing streak of 7 trades in a row, losing constantly. Like I didn't know what to do. I almost crashed out, and I thought of giving up, but no, bro. We are not giving up on this thing until we fucking made it, okay? And so as you guys, don't ever fucking give up on your fucking dreams. This is your dream. This is the thing that I've been working for the last couple of years, and I just saw TradingView doing the recap, 2025 recap, and I saw that I have been doing a streak on TradingView, like open it trading, like analyzing the chart, streak of 320 days in a row, like streak, 320 days streak, and I have opened TradingView for 350-ish days. I don't know why I didn't open, but yeah, I opened TradingView for 350 something days, and I have been locking in this year, and I will be locking in the next year. And believe me, guys, if you think that you're going to make it, you are going to make it no matter what. And if you think that you're gonna lose this, you're going to lose this. This is not for everyone. This is not meant for everybody. Everyone has its own thoughts. Everyone has its own vision on himself. For me, I bet on myself that I'm going to achieve every single thing that I did, and every single thing that I want to learn, I learned, and now I'm more learning, I'm more getting more knowledge for this thing, and I'm gonna keep learning until I fucking made it, because I know the damn well that I'm going to fucking succeed in this thing, especially this thing, because I love it from the bottom of my heart, and nothing else is better than this. Because I love it, okay? And believe me, guys, if you are doing this and not loving it from the bottom of your heart, you're not going to succeed in it. And I pretty much I can say to you, bro, go look for another thing, because if you don't have that love, that dedication, that, I don't know what to call it, bro. Like, I almost crashed out. I had in the past day, not the past days, last year I had a 7 or 10 day losing streak. Another time I had two bad losing streak, one for 7 days, one for 10 days. 10 trades losing constantly, not knowing what the fuck I'm going to do. And all of what I did is journaling my trades, looking for my mistakes, and backtesting. I spent like endless hours. I think that I have spent 5 hours or plus 5 hours backtesting the shit. I backtested months. I backtested, I think 4 months or 5 months or 6 months in just 2 days. 2 days. Looking at the chart, looking in, not doing any single thing else. And yeah, that's it, guys. You need, guys, to lock in. Don't trade unresponsibly, especially on this bad actually price action. Maybe you can fit it in yourself in, but I don't recommend you guys trade this price action. It's very bad. It's up to you guys. If you see your setup and you're very confident about it, like, go for it. And yeah, I really hope you guys can succeed in this thing. I really hope you guys can fucking find your purpose on this thing and find your success. And I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out, boys. I love and appreciate you.